Today, we will be talking about a problem involving the speed of sound in different media. An explosion occurs at the end of a pier. The sound reaches the other side of the pier by traveling through three media: air, fresh water, and a slender metal handrail. The speeds of sound in air, water, and the metal handrail are 343 meters per second, 1482 meters per second, and 5040 meters per second, respectively. The sound travels a distance of 125 meters in each medium. Now these are the following questions asked. A. Through which medium does the sound arrive first, second, and third? And B. After the first sound arrives, how much later do the second and third sounds arrive?
Let's write the given pieces of the equation first. The sound propagates through the air at a velocity of 343 meters per second. So we write that down as V sub air is equal to 343 meters per second. You do the same for water and the metal, giving them their respective velocities. The distance they travel to is also given. All media is 125 meters long. So to make it organized, we'll write D sub air, D sub water, and D sub metal all being equal to 125.
Since we're looking for which propagation comes first, second, and third, we should look for time. The best equation for this is V equals D over T, or velocity equals distance over time. We edit this equation by isolating T on one side to get T equals D over V. We then substitute the distances and velocities per case, leaving us with T sub air equals to 125 meters over 343 meters per second, T sub water 125 meters over 1482 meters per second, and T sub metal 125 meters over 5040 meters per second.
After that, you solve for the t's and get these respective numbers, rounded down to three significant figures. T sub air equals 0.364 seconds, T sub water equals 0.0875 seconds, and T sub metal equals 0.0248 seconds. And with this, you have the answer to A. It travels fastest through a metal medium, followed by the liquid medium, and then through air.
Since we also want to know the difference in time of the first sound from then, we simply write just that. To look for the difference in time of the second from the first sounds, we write T sub water minus T sub metal equivalent to 0.0875 seconds minus 0.0248 seconds. Likewise, you do the same to the third from the first sound, T sub air minus T sub metal.
After solving, you should note that the answers for these 0.059 seconds and 0.339 seconds represent how much later these sounds arrive relative to the first. The second sound arrives 0.059 seconds later, and the third 0.339 seconds later. To sum up the process, here's the full written solution to that problem.
Here we are! That is how you solve the problem of the devil.
Like and subscribe!